Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today, in the series of talking about investments to grow your money, I'll be sharing one undervalued stock which I am buying right now. Yes, in my perspective, this is the best stock to invest in 2022 and the name of the share is Relaxo Footwear. So today we will be talking about the fundamentals of Relaxo Footwear. We will be looking into the growth prospect of Relaxo Footwear and I'll tell you the levels at which you should buy this particular stock. So before starting the video, if you haven't liked or subscribed the channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to for such informative videos. Let's begin. So this is the Relaxo Footwear Limited on a screener. This is the website which I use to analyze the stocks. And you can see that Relaxo Footwear is currently trading at a price of 983 rupees. So Relaxo Footwear made a high of 1448 rupees this year and it came down and corrected to a level of 983. The market cap for the Relaxo Footwear is of 24,462 crore. It is a huge market cap and this company is doubling the investors' money in every 3 years. Right now, it is trading at a very fair value of its price and I believe that this is the right time to invest in this particular stock. So they are the largest footwear manufacturing company in India and they are majorly into leather products, rubber, slippers, etc. You must know the brands like Flight, Bahamas, SparkX and Relaxo itself. So now I'll show you the returns which is given by the Relaxo Footwear in last 1 year. As you can see that in last 1 year the stock has not given much returns or it has been almost given negative returns due to the rise in inflation, due to the fear of recession and everything in the market. The stock has not moved much. If you will see the max out chart for the Relaxo Footwear, you can see that it has given a multi-bagger return from the level of 15 rupees. It has gone up to 1400 rupees and created wealth for the investors. So talking about the fundamentals of this company, like how and why I believe that this company has a good future growth. One of the major reasons for this is you can see that the sales of the company has been increasing since March 2011 to March 2022, where they were doing the sales of 676 crore rupees. Now they're doing the sales of 2,653 crores, which is a huge growth in last few years. You can see that the operating profits of the company are also increasing and the net profit is also increasing from the levels of 27 crore to 233 crore. So these are the few things which can tell you about how good the company is, how fundamentally sound the company is. And this I have discussed in my previous video as well, where I have told you about the top 7 stocks for the beginners portfolio. Now, what makes it a good buy in the market is it is one of the industry leader in the footwear segment, and in India there are very limited companies who are there present in the space of footwear in stock exchange. You can see that the Bata India is there, which is trading at a price range of 1961, but if you will see the price and earning ratio of Bata India, it is trading at a level of 245 rupees. Sorry, PE of 245, which makes is a highly overvalued stock. But in terms of Relaxo, you can see that it is trading at a half of its PE of Bata India. Again, a very good price to enter in the market. Now I'll tell you like where and what levels you can buy this particular stock. So for that, I use Trading View. It's a website where you can find the charts for a particular company. You don't have to go into in depth of the chart. I'll tell you basically like after correcting so much from the top level of 1400, the stock is currently consolidating right now. So if you have a slight knowledge of fundamental analysis, you will see that this price has not gone up or down in last couple of months very much. It is a low beta stock. It is not that much volatile, but if you will see that it is forming a pattern which is between this particular channel. So I believe that in coming days, there are high chances that this particular stock might give a breakout from the level of 980 if it crosses and sustains the 1000 rupees mark. The stock has made its base at the level of 925 rupees, and if it crosses and sustains 1000 rupees or 1010 rupees for 3 days, it can give a return, a much bigger return in coming years or in coming months as well. The first immediate target which I can see for this particular stock is of 1100 rupees, and the next, in eventually in coming years, it can get back to the level of 1400 rupees to 1500 rupees. So this is all about like where you can think of buying and adding this particular stock in your portfolio. I'm going to invest in this particular stock on Monday. I'm revealing this, and if these stocks fall to the level of 900, I will again average it down. So I will suggest you not to put all of your money into this particular stock in this exact price, because nobody can predict the price of a particular stock. It's totally a demand and supply game. So I will suggest you to put, if you want to put like 10,000 rupees in this particular stock, then do it in fragments. If you want to put a large capital, then do it like 5,000 rupees one time. Then if it falls, then average it with 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees. And if it falls further, average it. Similarly, if it goes up and it sustains a particular level, you can do the same thing and average this particular stock. If you will ask me the right time to buy a stock, any stock, not only Relaxo, any stock you think that gonna go up or you feel like buying, then you should realize that you should never buy a particular stock on the top level. This is because the stocks are fundamentally good, but the timing of people usually when they buy a stock is wrong. You can see that if a person would have entered in this particular stock at the level of 1400 and it has fallen down to a price of 982, this shows that the person would have incurred a huge loss for himself. So to avoid that, it is always advised to buy a particular stock when it has corrected from the level of 10 to 15% from the level of its top. There are a lot of macroeconomic analysis which comes into the picture while buying and purchasing a stock. But I will tell you one particular thing which I like about Relaxo is, with the rise in inflation in the country, I believe this is one company which can keep their profit margins or operating margins good or even increase them in future because of their value for money goods. Yes, the products they make, the leather products Relaxo makes, are one of the finest in the market, and at that price there is no competition and there is a very high barrier to entry for the other companies. And this is it, and I have revealed like I'm gonna invest in Relaxo on coming Monday, and I'll be buying at the current market price only. I see a huge potential in this stock, and recently they have posted their result as well. As you can see that they have posted the result for their June quarter as well, and the commentary from the management was very strong. They have been expanding their business, and they have planned to open more manufacturing plants to increase the capacity holding of their particular products in the market, which again shows that even the management is believing in its own company and they are ready to invest the money to expand the business in future. So these are some of the key points which I liked about this company. I saw the financial sheet. It is financially sound, the management is good, and it has given a consistent return in last couple of years, which makes it a good bet at the price level of 900 to 1000 rupees. And that's why I'm going to invest in this particular stock. So these are the few things which you can consider or which you can think of checking in any company you want to invest. Is the price is not on the top level, or is it the price corrected 10-15% from the top level? How does a financial balance sheet of a company looks like? Again, I have told you, like in financial or in the balance sheet, what all things you need to look out for. And then you can do the industry analysis, like how the industry can is look how the industry growth looks like, what is the future prospect of a particular company or an industry, and they can then make a sound decision whether you want to invest in a stock or not. This particular video is only for the educational purpose. I must say that please do your own due diligence before investing in any stock. It should not be just because I am buying a stock, you should buy this stock too. It is not a advice that you should do what I do. I just wanted to know that it's an opportunity in the market which is present in present time, despite the run up of NSE and the BSE index. I hope I was able to give you a brief about the Relaxo footwear company. And if you like this video, and if you like such content, if you want to be informative about stock market, please make sure to subscribe the channel. So that's it from my side. Thank you.